Hi, friends. You just listened to a story called A Loud Winter's Nap about a turtle. I hope you enjoyed that story. Now, in your blue folder, you have a book that looks like this called Polar Bear on the Go. On this cover page here, you can write your name. You don't really want to color the polar bear unless you're going to use white because a polar bear is white and also so is snow. So you don't really need to color that much in this book actually, and definitely not on this page. The next page says polar bear is in a cave. And so what you're going to do is use these different pieces to finish your story. So in a cave, on page 1, you're going to cut out the cave. You can color it gray or kind of brown. Then you're going to cut out this piece and you're going to glue it here. Okay. On page 2, it says polar bear is on an iceberg. So you need this piece. You're going to cut out this piece and you're going to glue it right here. You can kind of see the shape of where you're going to glue it. Glue it there. Page 3 says polar bear is between the puffins. And you see there's 2 little squares here. So you can color these puffin birds. Then you're going to cut them out and glue them on page 3 right here. Page 4 says polar bear is above a fish. You can see there's a little square here. So you're going to color the fish and then cut him out and glue him on page 4. Then the last page says, where did polar bear go? Polar bear is under the snow. So this is page 5. And you can see right here you have this big pile of snow. You're going to cut that out. And then this little strip right here, you're going to put a little bit of glue on just this little strip and glue it right here on these words. Now you're only gluing that little strip so that you can flip up the flap of the snow so that the polar bear can be under the snow. Now, you might be wondering, where do I put the polar bear? Well, you can cut out the polar bear, and then if you have a popsicle stick or a pencil, you can tape him to the pencil or the popsicle stick. And then you can use him to go on each of the pages of your book. So he's going to be like his own little puppet character. And when you read the story, you can put your little puppet character, so pretend that my polar bear is on my pencil. He could be in the cave. Remember, you're going to glue the cave here. In the cave. He could be on the iceberg. Polar bear is between the puffins, so you put him in the middle. Polar bear is above the fish, so he's going to sit up here above the fish on the ice. Where did polar bear go? You can hide him under the snow pile. So you're going to use your polar bear, make a little puppet with a pencil or a popsicle stick or a straw. Color these different parts of your pages, glue them, cut them out, glue them where they go, and make your little cool puppet story about polar bear.